Tarang, Chhoti si Duniya. Hello kids. Now we will learn alphabet M and the words from M. See, we have so many words that starts from M. Let's start. This is M. M and the sound is M. M. M for monkey. Monkey. M for mom. Mama. Ma. M for moon. Moon. M for milk. Milk. M for mug. Mug. M for mat. Mat. M for mittens. Mittens. M for mouse. Mouse. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos on words and alphabets. Please do share, like and subscribe. Tarang, Chhoti si Duniya.